Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're going to be looking at addition and subtraction for Year 1. Today you will need a box with the lids, 20 cubes of one colour, Play-Doh biscuits, paper plates, dried beans, jars, paper fish, circles of paper, scissors and a record sheet. Today's mental learning objective. I'm going to learn about the operations of addition and subtraction and the words about adding and taking away. Here's my mental learning task. This lesson is about splitting numbers into lots of different ways. Here is an empty box. Chung, chung, chung. Empty. Your teacher also has an empty box. She will now add, or he will add, some cubes. Count along with him or her. How many did they put in? Pause the video while you play this game. She will add some more. Count on silently. How many has she got in there now? Pause the video and tell her the answer or him. She will add more and remove more. Check you get the right answer. Pause the video as you play the game. Mental learning objective. I'm going to learn about the operations of addition and subtraction and words about adding and taking away. The main learning objective today is this. I can understand the relationship between addition and subtraction. I can learn my number bonds. Here's the main learning task. Here are 6 dots. How many would I have on 2 plates if I shared them equally? Pause the video and tell your teacher. The answer is 3 dots on each plate. How else could I split the 6 dots between each plate? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Can you write the number sentence for these questions? Pause the video and tell the answers to your teacher. Read out your sum to the class. Was it correct? Did it make 6? Your teacher will now show you another set of plates and 6 Play-Doh biscuits. Pause the video while she shows you this. Can you rearrange the biscuits? What is the sum now? Pause the video and play the game. We are now going to split into 3 different groups. Every 10 minutes we will move on to a new activity. Group 1. Activity 1 is biscuits on plates. Arrange 6 biscuits on 2 plates. How many ways can you arrange them? Write down each picture and sum. So that is activity number 1 for group 1. Here's what group 2 will do. Beans in a jar. Arrange 8 beans in 2 jars. Write or draw each sum. How many ways can you do it? Pause the video while your teacher shows you what to do. Activity 3. Fish in pond. Arrange 7 paper fish on 2 circles of paper. Write down each way you can do this. And pause the video as your teacher shows you what to do. Challenges if you wish to make it harder for yourself. Cut out your recordings and arrange them in order to check you have all the right answers. Work with numbers over 10, so you repeat your activities but with bigger numbers. Main learning objective. I can understand the relationship between addition and subtraction. I can learn my number bonds. Plenary at the end of a lesson. What did you notice about these 2 arrangements? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Did you notice that 2 plus 1 equals 3 and 1 plus 2 equals 3? These 2 can go the other way around. So that could be 2 here, 1 there, or 2 there, 1 there. Can you find more sums like this? Pause your video and have a look at your answers from the lesson. What other words can we use to describe take it or take about adding? Tell your teacher. Pause the video and tell your teacher. Thank you for watching. Please like this video below. I love to see what teachers like about my work. I also like seeing what children like about my work. Please subscribe to my channel to know when I'm uploading new maths lessons. I'm always uploading maths lessons, maths quizzes, maths games. I love maths, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.